Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here we find manage storage, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.